This is May 18, 2017. What you see before you is a 20-inch Penncrest JC Penney reversible box fan. I just had it on the intake, and it's a good idea to let these fans come to a complete stop before reversing them. And here is the exhaust on low. I have still photos of before, during, and after the refurbishing of this fan on my Facebook account, which is Gerald Cherney, or that is Gerald Freebird Cherney, the fan man. You'll find it. This video will be there also. And here is the exhaust on high. The front of this fan is plastic and the back grille is metal. And there you have it.